Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x square by 49 equal 49 by x square and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this x square by 49 equal 49 by x square. If I'll do cross multiplication, so it becomes x square times x square equal 49 times 49. So this becomes x square whole square. 49 I can write it as 7 square times 7 square. So x square whole square equals 7 square whole square. Now take all the terms together. So it becomes minus 7 square whole square equals 0. So I am going to use the identity that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b, where a is x square and b is 7 square. So let's put the value. So it becomes x square plus 7 square times x square minus 7 square equals 0. So first case, x square plus 7 square equals 0. So the formula is a square plus b square, that is a plus b iota and a minus b iota. Second case is x square minus 7 square equals 0. So here this becomes x plus 7 iota, x minus 7 iota equals 0. So case 1 is x plus 7 iota equals 0. So x is minus 7 iota. And when x minus 7 iota equals 0, x equals 7 iota. Now second case, x square minus 7 square equals 0. So here a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. So x plus 7 times x minus 7 equals 0. So x equal minus 7 and x equals 7. So these are the four values of x. X1 is 7, x2 is minus 7, x3 is 7 iota, and x4 is minus 7 iota. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.